Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Saturday, the 6th day of September 2025. Breaking news: gunmen kill 8 NSCDC personnel, kidnap Chinese national in Edo State. The NSCDC are the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, as you know. I woke up to see this news on, Sowore reporters, and they posted it this morning. But my concern is the decorum, silence in Edo State is confusing. Now, this is not the reason why I said that the silence in Edo State is confusing. I also saw some people circulating the video where all these Fulani militia abducted some persons in the bus and other people ran away. Take a look.
Oh God. Hello there. They hear them now, so they don't carry the entire bush. Now food bus and
Camry. Not be one bus, so almost.
They scattered their bag, their luggage. They don't enter. They blocked them where?
Jesus Christ.
They bought the motor.
They bought the motor.
They scattered their bag.
Now here they carry them pass. See one woman for up.
Hello? They don't enter bush.
They don't enter bush.
You see people, all this one wrong. Jesus. No, this thing is not too much now, eh? They also catch them. No, sir, what they call? Are you talking and saying that last week? They don't come out.
They don't come out.
Say I said last week.
Now, this is terrible. I watched one video Harrison Gwamnishu made on Facebook. He was saying that the people they have neutralized, the people they have killed in Delta North, and everybody that have been kidnapped in Delta North, that they interviewed them, that the people they said that kidnapped them, including the people that the collaboration with policemen and military, the people they killed were Fulani militia. And in that video, Harrison made one statement, very important statement. He said, we are pursuing these people out of Anyoma, that is Delta North, that they are heading to Edo State, that they have already, moved to Edo State, that Edo State people should be very, very careful. This is not because there is no kidnapping incident in Edo State before, but that will automatically increase the attacks and everything. And exactly what he said is what we are seeing today. So that is to tell you, as I said before, insecurity in Nigeria is not a rocket science. And the intelligence gathering in Nigeria is one of the easiest things to do. It's even more harder than to woo a woman to agree with you on a date. To gather intelligence about insecurity in Nigeria is very, very easy. Why? Because the terrorists are operating on a safe haven. They don't need any kind of hidden things to do. They can operate openly. They can even enter bus and start going down the road. Nobody will ask them anything. So that is the situation we are facing, in the southern part of the country. Now, let us look into the article from Sowore reporters, because I'm curious about this. 80 security personnel were killed, and everybody is keeping quiet. And this is where I'm getting confused, because if it is in Anambra or Imo or Enugu, everybody will be saying ipob people killed security, personnel. ipob people killed NSCDC. That will be the news that they will target. But little do they know that all these things, I don't think it has anything to do with those people. I don't think so. So why is it that there is no noise, no hulabando about these people that were killed? 8 people yesterday killed just like that? These people have mothers, they have fathers, they have wives, they have children. Come on. And their body is just being taken to mortuary like that. May their soul rest in peace. Alright, this is what the article reads. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) has confirmed the killing of 8 of its personnel and a civilian driver following an ambush in Edo State. In a statement issued on Saturday, the corps said the incident occurred on Friday, September 5th, 2025, that was yesterday, about 10:30 p.m. along Okbena, Ajenebode axis. Okbena, Ajenebode axis. Alright, the article continues. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps NSCDC regrets to announce the unfortunate incident that occurred on Friday, 5th September 2025 at about 22:30, that is 10:30 hours, along Okbenda axis, Edo State. According to the statement, armed men laid an ambush on the convoy of the Chinese national from Boa Cement Company, Okbenda, leading to the tragic death of 8 NSCDC personnel attached to a critical national assets and infrastructure department. Alongside one civilian driver, a total of 12 persons were on escort duty at the time of the attack. Sadly, the Chinese national was kidnapped during the incident. The NSCDC said the victims' remains had been deposited in the mortuary while survivors are receiving medical treatment. Let's continue with the article. Stay with me. The remains of the 9 deceased have been deposited in the mortuary while the 3 injured victims are currently receiving treatment at a medical facility. Among the fallen heroes is Chief Corps Assistant CCA Oluwato Singh Sunday of the Ondo State Command, who was attached to the CNAI department. The Corps described the killing as a grievous loss. The Corps deeply mourns this grievous loss and commiserates with the families of the deceased. Their colleague and the entire NSCDC family, we salute the gallantry of our officers who paid the supreme price in the line of duty and reaffirm our unwavering commitment to safeguarding lives, national assets, and infrastructure. It assured that the security agencies are working to rescue the kidnapped Chinese national. And this is what he said. We call on the public to remain calm as the corps, in collaboration with sister security agencies, intensifies effort to rescue the kidnapped victim and bring the perpetrators of this heinous crime to justice. The NSCDC concluded by praying for the repose of the officers' souls. May the souls of our gallant officers rest in peace. So this is the article from Sowore Reporters. It's so painful, it's so painful. It's so painful. The insecurity in Nigeria, we don't even know sometimes. You will think that the people have accepted it as their destiny. Yes. If you see the reaction of people, if you see the way people act on some things, you will think that they have accepted it like part of their destiny. This is so terrible. And by now, I think, the state governor supposed to have visited them, supposed to be discussed on the national television, but the people don't value, even in security news. For Chinese television or Arise to say it, they will be feeling reluctant, being like, this is nothing now. We are not taking insecurity serious. And everything boils down to a Nigeria system that never works. Yeah, everything boils down to a Nigeria system that is not working. It never works. So, it is what it is, and I think people should be able to understand that if this thing continues from now till next 10 years, nobody in Nigeria will have a place to call my village, talk less of my community, talk less of my city. You saw Tambowan lamenting on Chinese television that the whole Sokoto South is under siege. You saw when they said that Sultan of Sokoto escaped the Bändits attack. You people don't understand the magnitude of what is going on. The military will always underrate it. If you're in their position, you might do the same. They will underrate it that everything is under control. You people should not exaggerate, but the real people are dying. Even their men are dying. Their men are dying as well. But if you talk, don't exaggerate it. Don't exaggerate. What are we exaggerating? We are not exaggerating anything. We are just talking reality out of issues. Anyway, it is what it is. May the souls of those who passed on rest in peace. If you see that the service you are, that is not worth doing, please kindly tender your resignation and focus on your life. Because I don't think the people are ready to fight back. No, the people are not ready. Because if the people are ready, they will hold their politicians responsible. They hold the people who imported these terrorists, they will hold them responsible. They will hold people who actually buy weapons for all these people. They will hold them responsible. But I don't think we are ready. I am Okochapi myself, confident reporter. Thanks for listening. Let me know what you think about this on the comment section.